In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy 7-zip. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup, and also here you can find my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading 7-zip executable installation file. And for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the 7-zip download page. And here I will be downloading the 64-bit Windows executable. And for that I will click on the link here. It should start the download and I will go to my downloads folder. And now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. Here I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible to my computers and users. And for that I will open File Explorer. I will enter my file server name right here, it's srv02. I will go inside of this software share, and here I will create a new folder called 7-zip. I will go inside of that and I will place the executable here. And now I will start creating my deployment package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages and then select new package. I will name the package 7-zip. Then I will click on steps, then install. Here we need to provide our executable installation file. So for that I will click here. Then I will go to my file server, srv02, software share, 7-zip folder, and select the executable that I have here. Now we need to provide a silent switch for a silent installation, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have the silent switch that is necessary for the silent installation. I will copy it, go back to my VMware workstation, and I will place the value here. And as you can see here, we have the command line that will be executed on the client machines. And that's basically it. And now we can save our package by clicking on save. Let's close this window. Let's select our package here. And now let's deploy it. So for that, let's click on deploy once. Then let's choose our targets. I will be using Active Directory, selecting computers. Here I will select client 01 and client 02. I will move them to this screen right here. Then I will click OK, and then I will click on Deploy Now. And now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, the deployment is over. We have status message saying that it was successful. So if I go to my client 01, let's open Control Panel and select Uninstall a program. We can see that we have 7-zip installed on this machine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.